Today, I am pleased and honored that NIA will play a role in this transformative initiative, improving communication or CSOs to strengthen democracy. We want to not just build a framework, but create a movement. And together we aim to collaborate on developing a comprehensive working paper that will shape our approach and create a dynamic secretariat. No civil society place should be without a home if your focus is on building Jamaica through social justice initiatives. So we want to share the home, and we want to be able to work out how we're going to be doing that so that every member of civil society will have an opportunity to also call one location their home. And as a treat, we also have the answer to your communication challenges. Through the stakeholder initiatives that we've held, there are a few of you who sit in here who know exactly where I'm going. We're working it out. So at the workshop, we want to also focus on how we're going to be utilizing radio, equipment, internet, TV, printing press to make civil society grow right here on our terms. If you want something done, you have to do it yourself.
I congratulate the NIA for its continued advocacy around democracy issues and its role as civil society agent for change in promoting human rights, notably through its contribution to the empowerment of right holders, awareness raising, and fostering accountability and transparency, which are so vital to the enjoyment of all human rights. I also take the opportunity to encourage all other civil society actors in your efforts and implementing your own activities, which could contribute to lasting peace and unity, not just for individuals, but also for vulnerable groups and for Jamaica as a whole.